Hello everyone, today I will be showing my SSH client for the 3DS called budgieSSH. If you don't know what SSH is, it's basically a way to to access your computer's command line with a network connection. So right here we put in our username, which is maxbic, not maxbrick, because my computer's R key didn't want to work when I made the user. And the host address, this is just a local IP address. Port number 22. And we will be authenticating with password. And there we go, that's our computer right there. So here we could type whatever command we want, like, and there we go. I accidentally put a tab in there. That's the budgie art. We could go into the project directory, budgieSSH, and here you can see all the files. We could also use git here, so git log, and yeah. I don't know what to do here, and I soft locked myself. There's no way to end user input. Yeah. We could see active processes. Yeah. And that right there is a Minecraft server. So we're gonna kill it so that we could run our own Minecraft server from here. So kill 13545. And now we go into a Minecraft server directory. There are a bunch of outdated plugins, which is why there's so many warnings. Anyway, let's see here. I also have calce installed on the Minecraft server, so calce lol. That is calce on a Minecraft server on a 3DS. Now we could also summon a pig tower. And it's summon a pig. We can't actually see it because we're just on the command line. And we broke core protect. Okay, anyway, yeah, that is the current state of the SSH client. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have a 3DS and you want to try this out yourself, the GitHub link is in the description and comment section, and installation instructions are there. Anyway, that's all for this video. I'll talk more about this in another video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Okay, bye.